Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the iFrame tag in HTML. Let us first start the notepad, and in notepad type HTML, opening HTML tag, then the opening header tag, then opening title tag, and type demo of iFrame tag, close the title tag and close the header tag. Then open the body tag and then use h2 tag to type HTML iframes. Close the h2 tag. Okay. Then use one more tag called paragraph tag, that is P, and iframe is used to display a web page within a web page. Okay, so here I am writing what this iframe does. Okay, so it displays the frame within a frame. So close this paragraph, then go for the iframe tag, iframe space src. It is a source. Okay, source is nothing but which file we want to display and where it is in the system. Okay, so assume that I want to display this image, penguin. So what I do, I right click on that image, I will go to property and I will select the location, copy the location. Okay, just paste in the double quote and type backward slash and take a name of the picture, that is penguins. Okay, dot jpg file. Okay, it's a jpg file. Just paste it here, dot jpg. Okay, then close the bracket of the iframe and use closing tag of iframe. Okay, iframe. Next, close the body, close the body tag, then close the HTML tag. Okay, so this is the end of the HTML document, and just click on file and click on save to save your file. So I am choosing the desktop as my location for this file, and file name would be the iframe.html. Okay, so save it, just minimize it, go to desktop, you will be having iframe. So just double click on iframe, so your iframe will be opened on the screen. So this is the web page within the web page. Now this is the web page. Okay, this is how you can add a web page within web page. Now this is very small. What I want the width and height should be some bit more. Okay, so I want to increase it. What I do here, I will go for width equals to, okay, so width equals to, I will specify some width, say 500. Okay, so even though I can write in double quote, it would be good practice to write in double quote. Width is 500. Okay, and height equals to 600 or say 400. Okay, so just save these changes. Okay, save these changes and refresh it. Okay, now see, so in this way you can increase or decrease your web page size within a frame. Okay, so